guys, Boosted Whips here. I'm gonna go ahead and be showing you how to switch the power on animation. This comes with two modes. The default one I'm gonna go ahead and show you now, and then I'm gonna show you how you do the process. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn these on so you guys can see what the default is. I feel like this animation is much faster than the other one, and you'll see what I'm talking about. So this is it. This is where the lights just turn on. I'm gonna go ahead and show you now how you switch to the other mode. So this is very simple. What you want to do is turn the headlight switch all the way off, meaning there's no more clicks. You're gonna hit the brake, and you're just gonna go and turn it once and down, again, down, up, down again. You're gonna do that 3 times. So it's 1, 2, 3, and on the back the brake is gonna shut off, and that's when you're gonna release the brake. I'm gonna give you a close-up so you guys can see what happens and when that brake shuts off, so you guys have an idea. That's when you'll know when you need to release the brake. So once again, guys, you press the brake, make sure that the switch is fully off. 1, 2, 3, put it back to off, hold, brake goes out, you release the brake. That's how you switch between the different modes. So I'm going to give you a close-up of how the brake goes off and then show you that second animation mode. Go ahead and do the sequence again, which is with the brake, with the light switch 3 times, on and off, and then so you guys can see how the brake just goes off. That's when you know exactly when to release the brake, and then the new animation comes on. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. So this is the second animation. It's more like it builds up instead of just kind of like scanning the whole system. And that's basically it, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and shoot just a little quick video. I was asked on how the brakes look when the light switches are off, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn off and just hit the brake, even though you saw it as part of the sequence. Just want to cover that part here now. Alright guys, that was lights off and just brake by itself. Once again, guys, thanks for watching. I'll go ahead and cover a night mode on a separate video, and then in other videos that I've done some other mods that I will show you on the hopefully this upcoming weeks, and we'll take it from there. Once again, guys, thanks for watching. Boosted Whips, I'm out. Have a very pleasant day. God bless, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Once again, guys, these are on pre-order for $330. Email me at boostedwhipsofficial@gmail.com to get that promo code and order from High Rev Sports, and to get that shipped out to you for $330 shipped. We'll start shipping orders on January 25th around that time, and that's when we'll close it. The lights will go up to $350 at that point. So don't sleep on it. Thanks for watching. Until next time.